Hey, what's up? Cody Sperber, the Clever Investor, back again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing something totally different than I normally do. Normally I'm training you on a specific topic, showing you how to make money as a real estate investor so you can break free of the rat race and live life on your own terms. Today we're gonna be answering one of the questions I get a lot of, which is, what does your investment company look like? We just bought this building about 3-4 months ago. It's part of an 18,000 square foot building. My investment company takes up 3,000 square foot of it. Clever Investor, the education company, takes up some of the rest. And then we rent out a couple of other spaces, and we actually ended up getting this building, which is a $4 million building, and we are able to run our businesses out of here pretty much for free because our tenants pay for the building. So out of this particular building, we're actually running multiple companies out of this space, investment companies. So on one side, we have the development arm, which is ran by Green Elephant Development. So we're licensed contractors, licensed real estate agents, and we buy, renovate, and sell for a profit properties. We buy, tear down, and build new properties. We spec build luxury properties. That's all done under the Green Elephant Development umbrella. Green Elephant Development also has a sister company, which is a holding company, which we have all of our long-term assets under. So anything that we're doing in the Airbnb space, anything we're doing for multifamily or long-term rentals, that's held under a series of different companies under our holdings entities. And then we have our Sell Quick for Cash arm, which is our wholesaling division. We've been wholesaling for many, many years. I started wholesaling in 2003, done thousands of wholesale transactions. We wholesale at a very high level. We're one of the largest wholesalers in the country. And so not only do we do our own wholesales, but we're also the disposition for a bunch of different wholesalers. So like you, as one of my students, if you wanted to do deals with me, you could actually submit a deal to our wholesale company. You're the acquisition side, we're the disposition side, and we would split profits 50-50. So what I want to do here is actually just let you guys go around, talk to my different team members, and just see what they do, so that way you can kind of get an understanding of what an investment company at scale looks like. We make millions and millions of dollars every single year in profits from this little 3,000 square foot space. So I think this will give you some good insight as to what my team does and what your future business could look like. So go ahead and just roll around, talk to some of my folks, and then when you're done, I'll hit you back here and we'll wind this video down.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Brian Apples, CEO of Green Elephant Development, CEO of Sell Quick for Cash, and you are here at my office. This is the desk. This is where everything happens. Brian gets to make the decisions on every deal that happens in this operation, from wholesale to acquisition to development to working with investors to working with private lenders, raising capital. It all happens right here in this office, and I'm going to share with you today what I love the most about what I do. First things first, I get a chance to meet with the staff. I come in, I get a quick breakdown of exactly what each department's working on. We look at our quick KPIs for the day. Every day we have certain KPIs that we look for. We look at those numbers. Then I'm through with that. That's part of one of my best parts of the day, is solving problems and putting out fires. I come in, I look at some of the deals in my email, run through some possible opportunities to invest in, and I get a chance to make some decisions. Usually we buy a deal or two a day, and once we buy that deal, we commit to that deal. Next comes the funding. How are we going to pay for the deal? Cash flow management. So I'm honestly always looking at where we're going and planning for the future. If we need to raise capital to do an investment that's 90 days out, I'm starting right now. If we're going to close in 6 days on a property, I look at our cash flow, our balances in the bank account, and make sure that we don't need to move anything around. If the accounts are stable, we move ahead and execute the purchase. Then we get with Garrett, the project manager, and my other partner who runs the contracting side. He gets it on his schedule. He plans out the projects, makes sure that we're on time. We usually start a project within 48 hours of executing a close. Add insurance, we're good to go. So it's really fun. I love what I do. If you guys ever want to learn anything about real estate, hit us up. Thanks guys. Got to take this call and make some money.
Hi, I'm Alexandria. I deal with turnkey Airbnb property management and guest relations and the contractors. And I help you succeed in your investments.
And I'm Shannon. I'm the property manager for all of our long-term rentals, and I'm also just started doing the billing for our department. Literally every day is a little different for me. I help flip the houses, pick out flooring, painting. We get contractors to help with the houses. I'm in the billing. Honestly, I just do a little bit of everything wherever I'm needed. Anybody that needs help, I'm right there.
I deal with all the guests from the Airbnbs. Cody, Brian, Garrett have a bunch of Airbnbs, and we deal with all the guest communications for all the guests that check in and have any issues. I'm there to help them out. You never know, you end up renting an Airbnb, you might be talking to me.
Hi, my name is Forrest Blackburn. I'm the Director of Acquisitions here at Green Elephant Development, which means I'm in charge of hiring, firing, training, making sure the ship runs, making sure everybody's rowing, and making sure money is coming in and the properties are being disposed of and that they go out. It's not an easy job, it's very busy, but I love working here and I love working with everybody. Cody's an inspiration, that's kind of what brought me here, but we work hard and that's really what it takes to make it work. So on a daily basis, I'm watching KPIs, key performance indicators. I look at a dashboard that monitors conversion rates, what lead sources are giving us the best amount of leads, what has the best amount of quality, and quite honestly, I look at a lead from beginning to end. I meet with the team, we train on objections, rebuttals, we come up with prices and terms. The life of the lead and speed to lead are the most crucial parts of this. So I live in the KPIs, I live in the reporting, and that's what helps me steer the ship, steer the team, steer the deals. That's probably the most crucial part of my day, aside from training everybody, making sure that everybody's happy, making sure that everybody's fed, and that we're making money. So it's a lot of fun, but it's a lot of work.
Hi, I'm Brooke. I'm Queen of Acquisitions here at Green Elephant Development. As you can see from my very full and busy desk, I have many, many leads I'm working simultaneously. My goal, my responsibility is to get in touch with these leads, make friends, build rapport. That's the biggest piece of this whole thing. Develop their trust, and then know that I can give them an offer that's going to meet their needs, whether it's going to be a cash offer, whether it's going to be a terms offer, so I have to know all the different things that come along with all of that, or whether it's going to be a novation, or if we're going to list the property for them. So there's many things that we can do, there's many things, strategies that we have to figure out, and so my goal is to figure what that is and then be able to convert the lead. That's the whole name of the game, is we got to be able to get them under contract so then we can make the deal work.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm a junior acquisitions, and I am new to the real estate industry. I am actually gunning for Brooke's position. Right now, I'm pretty much just a sponge. I started in insurance, and like you guys can see that there's a lot more money to be made and success to be had in real estate. So I'm watching Cody's videos. I am absorbing from every department, but right now I am pretty much just re-energizing the old leads that we have. I know that's a lot of money that pretty much dies away after that initial contact because no one reaches out to those people again. So I'm starting there, but I'm also picking up the slack or any other needs that anyone else in acquisitions has, and that is going to be my goal, is to get to that point someday. So there's going to be someone else sitting in this chair very soon, but for now I'm gunning it and I am a sponge.
Hey, I'm James. I work in acquisitions here, and my job entails reaching out to sellers who are motivated to sell their properties. So all day long I'm banging out the phones, I'm texting, I'm staying in touch with them, I'm building relationships. So at the end of the day, this job is all about relationships and solving problems. And so my job is to provide solutions and solve problems, and that's really what this whole industry is about, is solving problems, finding solutions, and allowing for us to meet their problem and meet their need and get the contract signed as a result.
Hey, I'm Jonathan. I'm a licensed real estate agent. I work directly with the GED team here with Cody and Bryant. I scrape MLS for good opportunities and deals. We try to get stuff under contract and go execute on them. So I've got a background in accounting, and I put the bigger deals together and I present it to the team, and if it's a good opportunity, we'll go execute on it, and there we go make some money. And if it's a dud and it doesn't work, we put it to bed and we go get another deal done. We go looking for more.
Hi, I'm Bill. I'm project manager here at GED and GEPM. I handle all projects for the company that are over $100,000. All the way up to millions of dollars. Mainly I do everything here that needs to be done in project management, from the start of the project to getting the bids and cost and quotes and managing the subcontractors and contractors all the way to pushing it across the finish line.
Hi, my name's Rebecca. I am the transaction coordinator and bookkeeper for Green Elephant Development, as well as the office manager and pretty much Brian's right-hand man, doing everything. So I go through and I do all of our transactions for all of the companies, just doing the classifications for them, as well as securing any funding that we need to purchase any properties, and additionally kind of overseeing all the properties, which is what all these files are. Had to get us the funding for all of those, as well as keep up on rehab draws and construction costs and everything like that to make sure we have a fantastic amount of profit at the end and that we never just end at a even balance out. And then to sum up my job, at the end of the day, the #1 priority is to make sure all deals get to the finish line and are successful.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I work on dispositions for Cody and Sell Quick for Cash. I sell their deals nationwide in Arizona, California, Nevada, Texas, and among other states. I'm in contact daily with around 500 investors, so I try to sell our deals, try to make our best, and make our profits.
Hi, I'm Kimmery. I'm the marketing manager for Dispo, and I also build investor relations. Basically what I do is I get all of our info from our deals that are sent to us. I put it together, put it up on our website where we have thousands of buyers. I make sure that I market it, sell it out to everybody, and then answer any questions that anyone has. I make sure it follows all the way through closing, and then that's how we make money.
Hi, my name is Sawyer Pace. I am the COO here for Sell Quick for Cash, and I just put in my 2 weeks, and I'm going to sell solar.
Hey, how cool was that? You got to meet some of the team members. Not everybody was in the office. We have some team members out in the field, like my business partner Garrett, which hopefully in a future video you get to meet him. He's the general contractor of the group, along with the entire rehabbing team and general contracting team, the project managers other than Bill. They're all out in the field. But hopefully this video gave you some perspective of what our operation actually looks like. So if I'm ever on another video saying, hey, let's do deals together, click the link down below on the Do Deals With Me link. These are the people that are actually making things happen, right? And so know that we are a real company doing real deals, and we're playing the game at a pretty high level and trying to take it even further. This year, some of my major goals are to build bigger projects and own bigger projects. Like we're getting ready to do a 30-unit townhome development project that we're actually gonna keep half as long-term rentals, half as short-term rentals. We're raising $1 million for that project. It's gonna cost about $10 million to build it. It's gonna be instantly worth about $14 million. We're really pushing hard to get into bigger multifamily projects, building from the ground up, and obviously scaling our Airbnb empire as well as our luxury development division. So, oh my God, there's so many things that we're doing here. We're always hiring, we're always pushing the limits to see how far we can take this thing. So if you're a superstar stud on the acquisition side and you want to work with us, hit us up. If you're a stud on the operations side of the business, hit us up. If you're a potential private lender and you want to get involved in our projects, hit us up. We want to make money and do deals with you, do business with you. And yeah, of course, click the links down in the description down below. I got lots of cool training courses along with the ability to do deals directly with us. So make sure you do that and smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. And that's all I got. I don't have anything else for you. Man, go back to work. And until next time, I'm out of here. I got deals to do. Take care, comb your hair. We'll see you soon.